When servicing antique radiators, you'll often find spuds that are stuck in place, and a spud wrench just shears off the metal ears on the inside. Here's one way to remove the whole bushing, which I think is easier and safer than trying to remove a stuck spud. I used the longest adjustable crescent wrench I could find, which was 600 millimeters. Do not use a pipe wrench for this. Scrape any paint or other material away where the bushing threads into the radiator. Spray penetrating oil all around the same area. Put the crescent wrench on the hex part of the bushing with the handle close to vertical. Be sure to stabilize the radiator. I sat on this one like it was a horse. Hammer the wrench with the biggest rubber mallet you can find. You probably won't feel any movement at first. Take a break and spray more penetrating oil on the threads. Sooner or later, the wrench will start to turn the bushing. Take the bushing out, then use the wire brush to clean the threads. Spray some of the penetrating oil on the threads to help protect against rust. Here's a quick recap on a different radiator. Scrape away the paint, spray penetrating oil on the threads, use the wrench and the mallet to loosen the bushing. Remove the bushing, clean the threads, and spray penetrating oil. Now you're ready to install the new bushing. Use plenty of pipe dope on both sets of threads. Tighten the bushing with the wrench. Don't over-tighten it. I tightened mine until I started to feel significant resistance, then gave it one last little bump to set it. Install the new spud into the bushing. Again, use plenty of pipe dope on both sets of threads. Connect the spud to the valve or elbow that it's matched with. Repressurize the system and check for any leaks. Turn the boiler on and keep checking for leaks until you're sure everything looks good.